Okay, in this video we're going to share with you the servo leveling and the zero pitch collective and the servo setup for the helicopter. Previously, when you do the own setup for your be it the external receiver, S-bus or satellite, okay, you're going to make sure all your cyclics and your directions of the sticks are correct, okay, as shown on the previous video. And we go ahead and proceed on to the next menu, and that's where we come to the servo setup for the 3 cyclics and the tail. Okay, but before you can connect your servo to the helicopter, or rather the gyro, you're going to make sure from your user manual, from your respective different brands of servos, that all the hertz must be complied with, okay, according to the software here. Now by default, for the source plate servo, we have different selections of frequencies, okay, from analog to digitals. So do select the suitable ones which your manufacturer of your servo recommends. So for our side, we are using a 333 Hertz for the swash, and for the tail servo we are using also 333 Hertz, okay, for the rudder servo. Okay, as we are using KST215MG, we are all choosing it to be 333 Hertz. Okay, and next we're going to make sure that the servo is mounted correctly on the directions on the helicopter. Now on the label, as you can see on your label of the G31, it marks on the left, center, okay, and right. Now these are the servo's positions, okay, to be placed correctly on the helicopter. For left, it must be on the helicopter's left. For the center, it will be the elevator, and the right will be on the right side of the helicopter. So please follow this strictly and correctly. Okay, do not reverse the servo mounting, or else you will not get the G31 working correctly. Now if you can see the values on the left, center and right, these are actually, okay, the trimmings to the center of the servo. Now before you can do that, you got to make sure your servo is plugged into the gyro, okay, and power up, okay, and then you fix the servo horn at true 90 degree. Now if you don't have a true 90 degree on the servo horn, you can actually adjust these values on the 3 respective servos on the swash, okay, by clicking up and down, or you can even scroll, okay, on the mouse to change the values, okay, right here. Okay, just go ahead and scroll until you get the true 90 degree, okay, on the servo. Okay, we can show you on the left servo. Okay, we change the value. Alright, the servo will actually move accordingly, so you have to make sure it is 90 degree, okay, right there. And then you come back here, okay, make sure the values is stored into the software, and the G31 will lock down these values, okay, permanently for all your flights. So you only take one time to do it. You don't have to do it every time. The G31 will take care of the rest.